Now, students, today's topic is the uses of bamboo. Lastly, uh, products of bamboo. They are the uses of bamboo. Topic: current and potential use of bamboo and bamboo marketing. Learning object of that is to provide information about current and potential bamboo. To understand the marketing of bamboo. By end of this, able to describe various uses of bamboo. Now you know that the bamboo has lining and biofuel, bioenergy, fabric, fur, pulp, charcoal, ornamental garden, planting, fashion, environmental characteristics bamboo having. That means such as large carbon phytoremediation. That is the growing soil and structure and soil, the soil fertility. You can see uses of bamboo one by one. First, use the house construction, that is roofing bamboo trusses for a good substitute for supporting loads and transmitting the foundation through columns, making the wall of uh, house or it is construction roof column to make the columns for construction or build house. In bamboo, reinforce mud walls. Mud walls the protection against heat and cold. Bamboo reinforced mud wall protection against heat and cold. And nowadays, mud walls are constructed by reinforced with quarter split bamboo terms, small terms properly treated with hot bitumen. What is bitumen? Hot bitumen, that is an viscous and waterproof substance made by the clumps of the bamboo. Small clumps of the bamboo, uh, or it is also rhizomes. When it's made by these small clumps or with quarter split bamboo clumps and treated with hot bitumen. Hot bitumen is the viscous and waterproof substance. This meant having a very valuable or it demand all over the world for in construction or making houses or all construction because of their uh, and viscous material or waterproof substance. That's why it have or it is on pull all over the world construction industries. Then another one is the light bamboo wall. The light bamboo wall is common wall of ruder housing the form of bamboo, forming by making the bamboo by this bamboo, that is light bamboo wall, are prepared by using the flattened bamboo stumps, and which are then patterned and nailed to from the wall. The small or terms housing housing wall, that is bamboo book, and these flattened bamboo clumps are battened and nailed from the tied bamboo wall for making the outer housing. Then another one is the flooring. Flooring outer houses on trades platform bamboo for flooring, while these bamboo clumps used as floor joints and beams act as a framework. Outer area or in treble area or joints, the bamboo is very huge, like making the houses, and these houses made by this house flooring material and this bamboo for flooring. The clumps are used as floor joint and beams act as a framework. Very bamboo house by this bamboo. Then another one is the door and windows. Making door and windows in the area that is made by bamboo, shutters made of bamboo, and mats by bamboo, peaks on wooden or bamboo frame common in the housing is in the area for making the housing that is and window of bamboo of house made by bamboos. Then another one is the scaffolding. Scaffolding is the platform made of timber plank can be bamboo drums. Scaffolding that is this is house this platform made of timber plank. It can be the bamboo drums. Timber uh, well in house the timber plank is by the bamboo drums scaffold. Then another use of bamboo handicrafts, plastic bags or handloom crafts to bags or decorative material of your house. The handicrafts, a large number of cottage in like manufacture of table mats, then bamboo chairs, trays are dependent on bamboo as a raw material. Then many articles of common domestic like of mats, making of baskets, of toys, then making of nets, fishing nets, wall plates, then wall hangers. You can see lastly the picture of wall hanger, then trays of uh, are made from the bamboo, decorative and then another use of bamboo that is ornamental and aesthetic. That is the bamboo is also used for the following ornamental and aesthetic such as cages, then gardens, then orchids, making orchids by bamboo, mass planting, isolated clumps along the avenue, side avenue, and roadsides and canal bank landscape. The bamboo uh, for ornamental or in garden. Then another one is the making the furniture. You can see last like furniture like chairs, like stools, like sofas or dining tables made by bamboo. Furniture is popular or uh, and lighter than per based furniture. Uh, Beautiful and due to the sharp in the prices of the timber, bamboos are in for furniture. The main point because of the prices of timber furniture can replace this furniture by uh, furniture of bamboos. That is, bamboos are increasing furniture because of their low cost, their low prices. People are used or lightweight. Then the people are used bamboo furniture by our. Then another one is the bamboo farming in agriculture. Bamboo farming by bamboo or bamboos occupy a place of pride in the life of villagers or farmers. Literally from cradle coffin. Narelle, bamboos are after cradle by bamboos. Then bamboos are a really available material for fencing of agriculture lands. Fencing, then compounds uh, of their agricultural lands or their plots. Fencing, like different kinds of fencing, protect the field from cattle are in. Then Goni bamboos cut together with their long branches and twigs are carefully laid or heaped along boundaries, or the clumps are split and woven or tied to bamboo postage, different shape and styles to make effective fencing. Fencing, that is bamboos cut together with their long branches and twigs, and then careful along the boundaries, and clumps are split and woven or tied to bamboo, different shape and style. That is the fencing, or this very fence against the cattles or domestic animals in agriculture, or very useful for farmers. In another use of bamboo, that is that the bamboo are eaten as vegetable and pickles, then when they are young, provides a nutrition source of food, can be made into bread, can cook Thai food, Thai food, making the bamboo, then making the curries, non-veg by, by bamboo. That is very well. Bamboo. Another one is the bamboo. Also, different fishing, uh, very barriers into the bacalled. That is, bacalled means the coral. Some 45 different styles and traps like the bow, that is torpedo shaped trap, or net torpedo, and cell cap, that is the basket like trap used for other bamboo fishing are the bamboo spear and the bamboo bow and arrow. Then drying is the most popular method of serving the fish. Drying method, drying as a, and for drying bamboo material, or bamboo for drying material. Then another one is the cultural or religious value. Bamboo having the cultural or that means the cultural attachment of bamboo in some community, and is so deeply that freshly cut stems of small size bamboo species are very essential in marriages and other ceremonies. Cultural value of bamboo: small size bamboo for the marriages and other ceremonies, and it is also equally important for carrying the dead body to the burial site in bamboo, also uh, for carrying the. In another use of bamboo, that is fodder industry, fodder, uh, that is another important use for bamboo is for fuel and fodder. Bamboo plums are an excellent source of fodder for animal fodder. Animal fodder means the animal food, while the leaves are palatable. Palatable, non-toxic. Bamboos are non-toxic. That's why for fodder, that is animal food. Fuel in some species of bamboo can make the fuel or biofuel. for biofuel. Then another important or use, that is ecological importance. Bamboo plant offer a range of ecological benefits, such as utilizing acidic soil fertility because of bamboo, produce biomass, generate extensive rhizome networks, and bind soil. That is to soil phytoremediate soil, the soil fertility because of bamboo. The revenue or tribal, yeah, bamboo are grown in the and on the edge of terrace, such a way that soil erosion, heavy rain, and wind and damage can be minimized by bamboo because of heavy and they can damage the soil. The bamboo minimize this soil erosion. Bamboo takes more CO2 and produce 30% more oxygen or O than a very important, that is bamboo take more and can produce 30% O2 more than trees, another trees. That's why the bamboo our environment. Another use of bamboo, that is medicinal important. That's bamboo or by the bamboo, and it has or it also has medicinal and is Ayurvedic medicine for blood purification. Ayurvedic purify the blood. Ayurvedic. Then Lycoderma. Lycoderma is and bamboo is white patches on our skin, and bamboo is as made Lycoderma disease. And another treatment of bamboo, that inflammatory condition. Another one, it can also be for the treatment of asthma, cough, then paralytic complaints. Another one is the debilitating bamboo as medicine, Ayurvedic medicine. There are many important of bamboo. Now, environment, phytorim, ecological importance, furniture, wallpaper industry, bamboo marketing. Because of it is very you make the all these product of bamboo like furniture, like pearl plant paper, like houses, like building construction material, and like or viscous material or substance for the building construction of bamboo. Then our household atoms of bamboo. Then another one is the industry or textile industry, um, cloth made by the bamboo. It's uh, many the bamboo marketing important for us. That is trade in bamboo and trade bamboo as raw material for various the tribal area or just like in Marathi, Durgam means trade in bamboo as raw material for various use. Two types of marketing are observed revenue. That is a particular community use bamboo for live directly purchase from bamboo growers. Particular community can use bamboo for livelihood, that is can purchase directly bamboo growers such as private growers. Then another one is the government forest and research is working the area on bamboo. There are two types of marketing. That is, first is the small growers or private growers can purchase the bamboo or private growers. Another one is the government forest. Government forest and research is working in the area on bamboo. The second group that is comprises of collectors sale in bulk and reality. The collector of bamboo do not market their products. Rather than they sell the product to a customer. That is middleman. That is first group that can collect the bamboo direct growers, and second group that is comprised from the collectors. Collectors they can sell in a bulk, and reality of this collector, this bamboo do not market their product, but rather than they sell the product to customer, that is the man. Processes for making basket like similar bamboo products like sport, like handloom and handicraft, like house hold items, like this. All this processing for making by bamboo, the collectors can sell in a bulk, and collector of bamboo not marketing, but they are uh, pur- purchase bamboo material, sell the products to a customer via middleman. If the goal is for the communities to retain a larger portion of the income generated by bamboo out the world or all over the world, the tasks of both the producer and those involved in assist the market development of bamboo is transform the current process from selling marketing at the community from the levels, selling and community level. First one is the that is marketing, that is the particular community bamboo for livelihood directly purchased from the growers or a government forest or industry working as a on this bamboo farming. Another that is comprised collector of collector sell in a bulk, like they collect the um, collectors of bamboo and their products, the products to a customer by middleman. And the goal of this community, the larger portion income generated by bamboo. In our India, uh, marketing, bamboo marketing for rural people or tribal people, community, can source of income, their income or economy because of this bamboo farming, their economy or also our uh, country's economy, country economy or our income generated by bamboo, and task of produce called can assist market of bamboo and transform the current process from selling to marketing at the community. Okay. Now some pictures of agriculture equipments. Picture, collect the water pump, water. It is for agriculture farming. Another one is are the basket are used for the vegetable collection or fruit done in agriculture, farming, flower collection, the house wall too, made by bamboo. House consider area, the house wall by bamboo. Another this is Thai food, Thailand, bamboo, picture of bamboo furniture, bamboo, bamboo, bamboo sofas, all current and potential bamboo in country or throughout the world. Bamboo marketing for the income of people or tribal people or also value or importance of bamboo world or our country economy to the economy of our country. Yeah, many people are upon this bamboo farming. Uh, economy of economy of our country or their income else are deep that bamboo farming. Thank you.